On top with tori for today, Presido Muhammadu Buhari don Tanda put for United Nations for New York unto UNGA74 wey be United Nations General Assembly 74. Naija Presido don Tanda put for New York for Sunday 22nd September 2019 for evening around 7 p.m. for Naija time. Pipo wey dey ground to receive Presido as im land for New York na Deputy Permanent Representative to United Nations, Naija Ambassador to United States, Minister of Foreign Affairs, Minister of Environment, Minister of Health and other ogbonge government officials. Presido Buhari go join other world leaders for UNGA74 for Tuesday 24th September to sit down on top UNGA74 for the first time for 30 years with Presido for UNGA, Professor Mohammed Tijani Bande, as dem go dey talk on top how dem go fit take Tanda better life, job, economy, climate matter for the world. Make una know say Presido Muhammadu Buhari na go be the number 5 person wey go deliver speech on top Naija statement for United Nations General Assembly 74. Femi Adesina wey be the special adviser to Presido Muhammadu Buhari on top media and publicity come talk give tori pipo unto wetin Presido Muhammadu Buhari go deliver for the UNGA, and im come still talk on top Naija level for UNGA as e see throw better light on top Presido level for UNGA74.
It's like it's Nigeria's day in the sun because you don't have it better than that. The Deputy Secretary General, President of the General Assembly, and then you are President of that country. It's like all focus will be on Nigeria. It's a good one for our country. The President is going to talk about our successes in Nigeria, and then the challenges we also have. The successes will include things like the social investment program, the war against insurgency, the war against corruption, and then is going to invite the world to also help in the areas that we have challenges. Particularly the war against insurgency is not won fully. We have recorded a lot of successes, but then we still need help. And of course, in rehabilitating people who are displaced, Nigeria still needs a lot of help. And then on global issues, is going to express Nigeria's opinion, Nigeria's position on some global issues.
For New York, Presido Buhari and im delegates go join for ogbonge meeting with correct leaders as dem go talk on top climate change, SDGs, elimination of nuclear weapons and better bilateral discussion with pipo wey dey on top economy matter for the whole world. Na here we see the updates reach on top with tori for today. On top say Presido Muhammadu Buhari don Tanda put for United Nations for New York unto UNGA74 wey be United Nations General Assembly 74. Make una know say this ogbonge update wey dey waka come meet una so na Till Live Media na im carry am come give una. So dey get more of this ogbonge tori, make una like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for Till Live Media TV. Follow and like us for Facebook and Twitter for Till Live Media. And una fit still log on to our website for www.tillivemedia.com.